In front of me is Redmi Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar to type in DevCheck. Then get this free app, DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. Open it. And thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!